Hey, my name is Will. I work in product at Play, and I'm going to be showing you our new voice changer feature. So making content is really hard, but I'm going to show you how using this feature, you can make your voice sound like professional quality and choose from hundreds of the different voices that we have. So let's start off. You can use an audio file, or you can also use a video file. So I have an existing video with some spoken audio that I want to convert into another voice. If the background for that is noisy, I can also use our denoiser, which is an amazing tool. Or I could start from scratch and just record some audio. So I have a bunch of different voice options here. I'm going to start with, I think, Samson. So I'll click convert. Now, if I wanted to, I could also go and see a bunch of our other options, and I can go and just preview them as well. We have Ava.
Meet the No Guilt Auto Feeder, a feeder that plays a pre-recorded message of,
"Hey honey, it's Mama. I seen on the..."
Is aesthetic excellence, the sole preserve.
As you can see, we have a huge range of voices. And actually, it's already done. So here's the original video.
Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to natural effective cleaning with the plentiful clean.
And now here's the converted video with the new voice that I chose.
Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to natural effective cleaning with the plentiful Clean Start Kit. Just pour their non-toxic concentrate into the reusable glass spray bottle, fill with water, and gently shake to activate. Let the cleaning begin. With 3 therapeutic scents, clean, green living has never smelled so good.
Wow. So this means that you can just record once, get the intonation that you need, and then change that into hundreds of different voices, A/B test them, see which one works best for your audience. And most importantly, save you a ton of time when doing all this editing and videos, and just allow you to focus on your content. I hope you enjoyed.